Yo. Oh my god. Oh my goddess, you look gorgeous. Wow. Whoever's watching this video, I'm proud of you. I don't know you at all. I don't know you at all. Maybe I do. I don't know. I'm assuming I don't. Because, like, we're all so cosmic and big and connected. 2 on the timer. Like, we're all so connected. Like, we are all, like, one. Like, we are huge, you know? So it's like, as we discover ourselves, we discover each other. That's why I'm proud of you. I just thought of, like, Miami strip club vlog. Never got posted. May never be seen. That was actually so probably like my best editing. Nah, I don't know. I don't like saying that. I don't like saying like my best. That's my best. It was short. It was packed. It was amazing. It's always me. I'm like, damn attitude. 3 on the timer. But it's like funny, but then it's like a gut punch. Like from myself to myself. That video like was so good. I mean, I just never was able to upload onto my YouTube channel because like that happens often. It's like after like a week I'm like, I'm about to give up. Or like a week and a half. Or like when my phone is like, I'm not even gonna turn on. You know what I'm saying? Like my phone will be like, no, boo boo. 4:20 on the fucking time. I'm like, well, I have to do something here. I need to do something here. Or like when I'm filming more content and it's like, yeah, you're not gonna film because like, sorry. Anyway, and then on top of that, it's like, oh my god, I have another piece of content to upload. And it's not like one piece of content, 4, 5, 6 on the timer. It's not like one piece of content. is more important than the other piece of content. It's just kind of like, well, what the fuck? Like, there's been times when, like, both pieces of content just get scrapped. There's, like, 2, maybe even 3 videos uploading, and then, boom, scrapped. Honestly, like, I wish I had, like, filmed my entire trip in Costa Rica. But I just didn't have enough storage on my phone. You know what I'm saying? Like, I know I filmed a lot of things that got scrapped. But I had a really homey experience. I was a homie, you know, in Costa Rica, guys. Like, Costa Rica. I mean, Samara. I'm just gonna say Samara is home. And we don't have to talk about Nosara. I'd rather not. But yo, cause you ain't nobody till you got somebody. I was just singing that. Oh my god. Everything I need is right inside of me. Okay, I'm just not. Yeah, I was there for like 3 months. You can't be in Costa Rica for over 3 months. You can. You just have to leave. Everybody was trying to get me to stay. Everyone was trying to get me to work there, get a job. And I got a couple. I mean, I was getting paid. I was like raking grass. I mean, rocks. I was just, like dressed as a fairy because, like, oh my god. And they were just like paying me. I was like, this is amazing. This is really crazy, dude. Wait, that was Nosara. Oh. Yeah, Samara didn't pay me. Samara did not pay me. Well, actually, Samara kind of will. Samara. Yeah, I mean, Samara housed me. I was just like, hi. And she was like, yeah, you can just stay here. I was like, oh my god, thank goddess. Thank goddess that I'm in my lane. No, yeah. I kind of did everything I wanted to do there. I was like, oh, that'd be cool to do. And I ended up doing it. I'm like, but it wasn't how I thought it would be. I'll tell you that. I don't know if you can even smoke on YouTube. YouTube hole. YouTube whore. YouTube slut. YouTube bitch. YouTube, you're too fucking bitch. Abercrombie. Not my bitch. Are you sick? Is you blind? You must be lying. Oh. Cause you not. Got me shook. Got me shaking. Got me doing that hanky panky. Hanky panky. Got bookmark that. Okay. How y'all always smoke like this? Why don't you smoke like that? Yo, this is about Barbie. It's 11:11 all the time. It's Barbie. It died. It's dead. I don't even know. I rolled it so skinny. I can't believe that. I can't believe that. That went so fast. Didn't expect it. Ooh. Ooh. So creamy. I met this dude in Costa Rica. I'm 2-3 on the timer. I met this dude in Costa Rica. He was amazing. He was amazing. I mean, I think he got my room, but I'm fine with that because he deserved it because he's a king. Like, his room in that fucking hostel was like a palace. It had bunk beds. I don't think I'm ever allowed back there, but you never know. Yeah, that I don't think I would. I mean, maybe I'd go back if I was feeling creepy. If I was feeling creepy, no, yeah, they ran me out of the country, but it was fine. My 3 months was up. I was out of there on a plane. Yeah, it was crazy. It was crazy. I didn't have my passport. She was like, I'm getting my people on you. My people are on you. I'm like, okay, the hostel that I was staying at before that hostel had took my passport and was gonna be like, get the police over here. Get the police. I'm like, like, I was like, damn, I had to give him my passport. I was calling lifelines. I was praying. But look, people were just giving me money, like soul family. And then I was like doing the best. Oh, I got, and I got right out of there right in the nick of time. Because I had stayed extra long at that hostel because my room had kept on flooding. Like, oh my God, my stuff was getting so wet. I was like, this is ridiculous. I mean, like, this is ridiculous. Like, this is no. And she said, honey, it's okay, it's so fine. It's fine. 144. But, and then, like, she's like, where my money at? And that's what the other dude kept saying, like, where my money at? Where my money at? Because I was having to pay him, like, a penny for it. It was like, let me show you. I was having to pay him like 25 colones, 25 whatever, like, for a cigarette every time I was trying to smoke a cigarette. And I was so tired of it. Okay, this is what I'm saying. Like, this, what is this? 10? 10? 10? Nothing. What are you gonna get with that? What are you gonna get with that? Okay, stack them up. You don't, like, this is what I'm saying. I said, don't let me have no Costa Rican money. Don't. Because that's what happened. I was like, I got Costa Rican money. I'm going to go Costa Rica. I got Costa Rican money. Because I had some Costa Rican money. I was like, don't not let that happen again. This is 25. Because, well, now I learned my lesson. That's ridiculous. Okay. This is 30 colones. Okay. So, like, I feel like they were charging me 50 for a cigarette. He was. He wasn't charging me fucking nothing when I was in his bed with his fucking tongue down my throat. He wasn't charging me anything. Then I was like, you're being fucking ridiculous. But he's like, my man, like, he built that whole fucking hostel. He built that damn thing. And he built a whole kitchen right in front of me. The whole time I was staying there for like 2-3 weeks. I don't know, I was there for so long. And he made me a whole kitchen, 704. He made me a whole kitchen. And he was just always doing things I did. From like the moment we seen each other, like, we just knew, like. But like, that's what I'm saying, like, whenever I had to get my passport back so I could flee the country from the other hostel, because she was gonna get her paper on me, that dude, man, the dude that had built the hostel that, you know what I'm talking about, had my passport, and they was like feeling each other, but I was like feeling it, and I was like, I don't want to get in between y'all little thing. And he's the one that was always upset with me. He like drives a little taxi, whatever, because Fulano owns the hostel. He built the damn thing, and it's his taxi service, the whole damn city. Everybody knows Fulano, the whole damn city of Nosara. You know what I'm saying? Like, all the taxis live there. That's where they live, in his hostel that he got. He only got one room that he rents out. Everybody else drives to Texas. So he was upset with me. They was all upset with me. I was mad. And the goddesses was mad. And everybody was mad up in there. I was mad. And it was fine though, because they was like charging me for early, like just drinking alcohol. I'm like, I ain't even trying to drink with y'all anyway. I ain't trying to drink with y'all anyway. Trying to charge me for that. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know. I don't really know. Like, I don't care. Whatever. So yeah, that taxi driver was always giving me rides for free, always. And he always would. But he's the one that made me miss my bus. And then I was like really upset at him. And we already had talked, like, because I was living with him. So like, you know, he was the one that was delivering my passport. And I'm like, oh my God, like, I have a flight. I need to get on the bus. Oh my fucking God. But then I was like I wasn't even really upset. Like, once he got there, I was just like, okay, what was I mad about? Like, I was like upset, but like now that he's here, I'm just like, oh my God, you know, because like, who cares? And then I got on my bus that was meant for me. And it arrived at the airport at the same time as Daddy Yankee's tour. Or was it Bad Bunny? I don't know. Lil Nas's ex. He was on tour. I don't. I was like, that's crazy. Our buses got here at the same time, and I'm always talking about if the bus is meant for you, it's meant for you. Like, you know what I'm saying? Costa Rica was definitely a bus moment. Like, there's so many buses in Costa Rica. It's how you get around, but it was like only the right buses were meant for me. Crazy. I was chasing buses. And they were like literally stopping and saying, sorry, this bus isn't for you. I'm like, what the hell? They're like, you can't get on this bus. I'm like, well, okay. I mean, I'm not going to fight with you. I guess we're not going to the volcano anyway. That would have been crazy. Because then I would have like, that would have been a whole other storyline, but it wasn't my buzz. Yeah, move to the tropics, we could get it started. Baby, I could take you there. You know, I could take ya.